Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you, about a story, a latest story which happened about 2-3 days ago about Bitcoin fraud in South Africa. So let me show you the story, and then we'll talk about it. Talk more on why it is necessary for all you investors to keep your eyes open, research, and all of that. So let's dive in. So look at this. So this is two brothers who started a company in South Africa, and what they did was they took money from investors. The company was called AfriCrypt. So they took money from the investors and they defrauded to the tune of $3.6 billion of bitcoins. So obviously the Cape Town, the South African police hawks, as they call themselves, was alerted by the Cape Town law firm Honeycomb, as mentioned. The attorneys there, I think the investors would have gone to the law firm and then would have filed a complaint against the company. So AfriCrypt is run by two brothers, Amir Kaji and Rees. Now they had set up the company in 2019, and read it out. It says it provided bumper returns for investors. So they were promising us, returns that were not probably possible. The company was taken, the company website was taken down, and the publication was unable to. This particular publication, which is Money Control, reach neither of the brothers through calls. I think they are in prison by now. So, so they're saying that reportedly the signs of trouble started in April when Kaji, the elder brother, said that the company had become a victim of hacking and asked the clients not to report the incident to the authorities, claiming it would decelerate the process of recovery of missing fraud. So that itself raises question mark on the credibility of these two brothers and also the company. So what did the attorneys do? We were immediately suspicious as the announcement implored investors not to take legal action. So the AfriCrypt employees lost access to the backend platform 7 days before the alleged hack. So what would have happened is that these two brothers would be in connivance with some tech people and who took control of the backend platform of the company. So it further said that the coins from the clients' wallets and funds from Africa were passed through tumblers and mixers or to other large pools of bitcoins to make them untraceable. The Gauteng South High Court of South Africa granted a provisional liquidation order against the two brothers and gave them until 19th of July 2021 to argue against the liquidation. So if you look at this, so their whole intention was to defraud the people. So all I'm trying to say is that you must be very, very careful when you are investing through a third party. So some of the learnings is that you must be able to do your own research on the crypto that you're looking to purchase or invest in, based on the company, its past performances, results, and only then you should go ahead and invest. Otherwise, chances are that you would lose a lot of the money. So I go back to my video of 2 days ago where I mentioned, who should be worried about Bitcoin drop in Bitcoin prices. So it's back to those same points: doing research on the people, looking at who are the investors, what are their past performances, looking at what the the future or the in the stock market world, we say forward guidance. What are they looking to do? What kind of projections do they have in terms of their business in the years to come? And also look at what is the solution that they're offering. So are those solutions really credible? Is there a real need for any of those solutions that they're offering? So look at all those points before you go ahead and invest in a crypto. And the last point is, do not invest more than 5% of your total investment portfolio in crypto as yet. Largely because crypto or even Bitcoin, the investment is not regulated. So that's what I wanted to let you know, so that you get alerted and you are aware of what's happening around in the crypto world. And my earnest request to all of you is to keep these points in mind, so that you do not get cheated by any of these fraudsters in the crypto world. So I will put a link to the video I just spoke about on, I just mentioned, that was on Bitcoin. Who should be worried about the Bitcoin price drop that happened a few days ago. And by now, and today, the current price is about 34,000. So it's actually gone up. So it's recovering, in my opinion, but it's still in the danger zone. So you take a look at it, look at the video, and it'll be there in the card above. And that's it, guys. So as you know, I have a ebook. The ebook is on my journey as an entrepreneur. So when I quit my six-figure globe-trotting job back in 2010, and I started my own company. Now I have companies in 2 countries and a representation in the US. The 2 countries are Singapore and India, and 2 representations in the US. So the book talks about my journey. I've also put in worksheets for you to figure out where you stand if you are looking to be an entrepreneur. I have scored myself, so you can score yourself as well. I've scored myself, and you know how much I scored and where I stood back in 2010 when I became an entrepreneur. That's it, guys. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital marketing, technology and investment consultant. I work with many companies to try and figure out their challenges and provide solutions to business, marketing, technological, and investment in those areas. My LinkedIn profile will be in the link to the LinkedIn profile in the description box below. Please go ahead and connect with me. You could engage me as a consultant in those areas that I work on, either through LinkedIn after you connected with me, or through my website, whose URL will also be there in the description box below, the contact page. And by the way, the ebook you could download from my website as well. The link also will be in the description box below. You can't download actually the ebook. You have to fill up the form, and the link to download will be sent to your email address. So that's it, guys. Take care. Please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash the notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. And please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research, from my knowledge, and from the videos that I do. Thank you very much, and take care. I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.